Bove has described the collage sculptures as ways of exploring what steel can do. Like, we think of steel as this hard industrial material. You know, it can also be treated in ways that elicit softness, movement, and gravity and lightness. And they often suggest drapery or flowing fabric, and I think that's certainly the case here. And there's an enormous amount of engineering and thought that goes into make these sculptures appear like they can just kind of float, or as if they just have landed from another place. You'll see a number of the sculptures have these round elements that Bove calls polka dots. And they're these points of punctuation and entry into the sculptures, and they really play with your sense of perspective and what's going on. The smallest work in the show, Vue, in our galleries, is a very small, intimate piece. The other work in the garden is the largest work in the show. It's called Amoureux, and it has this very large disc that is sort of another version of the polka dots. I think it's really an incredible work. It plays with your perception, and it really dramatizes the way that these works sometimes feel like portals or entries to new worlds or new places that we haven't explored in sculpture before.